The world is rapidly changing. Every day, we witness new advancements that reshape our lives in ways we never imagined. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. From the way we communicate to how we manage our finances, everything is becoming more interconnected and digital. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution. It is transforming industries, enhancing efficiencies, and creating new opportunities. While AI offers incredible potential, it also presents new dangers. The same technology that can predict market trends can also be used to exploit vulnerabilities. Criminals are exploiting AI to commit sophisticated bank fraud. They use advanced algorithms to bypass security measures and steal sensitive information. This is a serious threat to your financial security. Imagine waking up one day to find your bank account drained, your personal information compromised. We must educate ourselves about these emerging threats. Knowledge is our first line of defense against these sophisticated attacks. By understanding how these scams work, we can better protect ourselves. It's crucial to stay informed about the latest tactics used by cybercriminals. This essay will delve into the world of AI-powered bank fraud. We will uncover the methods used by criminals and the technology that enables them. We will explore real-world examples and the technology behind them. From phishing schemes to deepfake technology, the landscape of bank fraud is evolving. Most importantly, we will provide you with practical advice to safeguard your hard-earned money. Learn how to implement strong passwords, recognize suspicious activity, and use advanced security measures like two-factor authentication. AI is making it easier for criminals to impersonate trusted individuals and institutions. With advancements in technology, scammers are now able to create highly convincing fake identities, making it difficult for even the most vigilant among us to detect fraud. Imagine receiving a phone call from your bank. The caller ID shows the bank's number, and the voice on the other end sounds exactly like your personal banker, someone you have spoken to many times before. The voice on the other end sounds exactly like your personal banker. They have all the right information, your name, your account details, and even recent transactions. They warn you of suspicious activity on your account and ask for your login credentials to verify your identity. In a state of panic, you might comply, thinking you are protecting your assets. This scenario is no longer science fiction. It's a reality that many have already faced, and the consequences can be severe. AI-powered voice cloning technology can mimic voices with frightening accuracy. This technology, once thought to be a futuristic concept, is now accessible to anyone with the right tools and knowledge. Scammers can use this technology to impersonate anyone from your bank's CEO to your own family members. The implications are vast and deeply concerning. These scams prey on our trust and can have devastating financial consequences. It's crucial to stay informed and vigilant, always verifying the identity of the caller through multiple channels before sharing any personal information. Protect yourself and your loved ones from becoming the next victim of these sophisticated AI impersonation scams. In 2019, a UK-based energy company fell victim to a sophisticated AI scam. The criminals used voice cloning technology to impersonate the CEO. The scammer called the company's energy trader, instructing him to transfer 220,000 euros to a Hungarian bank account. The trader, believing he was speaking to his boss, complied with the request. This case highlights the alarming effectiveness of AI-powered scams. It also underscores the need for increased awareness and vigilance. Criminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit AI. We must stay one step ahead to protect ourselves. Deepfakes are AI-generated videos that can make anyone appear to say or do anything. While deepfakes have the potential for entertainment, they also pose a significant threat to our financial security. Imagine receiving a video call from your spouse. They appear distressed and explain they've been in an accident. They urgently need you to transfer money for medical expenses. This scenario, while terrifying, is a real possibility in the age of deepfakes. Criminals can use this technology to manipulate us emotionally and financially. Section 5. The tech behind the trickery, how AI makes scams believable. AI-powered scams are effective because they exploit our trust in technology. We live in a world where we increasingly rely on digital communication and information. AI leverages this reliance to blur the lines between reality and deception. Voice cloning technology, for example, uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and replicate a person's voice. With enough data, these algorithms can create incredibly realistic synthetic voices. Deepfakes work in a similar way, using AI to manipulate and generate video footage that is nearly indistinguishable from the real thing. Section 6. Phishing for data, AI as the ultimate bait. Phishing scams, where criminals attempt to steal personal information through deceptive emails or websites, are becoming increasingly sophisticated thanks to AI. AI can be used to create highly personalized phishing emails that are more likely to trick recipients into clicking on malicious links or attachments. These AI-powered phishing emails can bypass traditional spam filters, making them even more dangerous. They can even adapt in real time based on the recipient's response, making them seem even more convincing. Section 7. Your money, their target. Why AI-driven scams are on the rise. AI-powered scams are on the rise for several reasons. The increasing sophistication and accessibility of AI technology have made it easier for cybercriminals to exploit vulnerabilities. Firstly, AI technology is becoming more accessible and affordable. This democratization of technology means that even individuals with minimal resources can now leverage powerful AI tools. Criminals no longer need sophisticated technical skills to carry out these attacks. With user-friendly AI platforms, they can easily create convincing phishing emails, deepfake videos, and other malicious content. Secondly, the vast amount of data available online provides ample fodder for AI algorithms to learn and mimic human behavior. This data includes personal information, social media activity, and even financial transactions. Finally, the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated our reliance on digital communication, making us more vulnerable to these types of scams. With more people working from home and conducting business online, the opportunities for cybercriminals have multiplied. As our lives become increasingly digital, the threat of AI-powered fraud will only continue to grow. It's crucial for individuals and organizations to stay informed and take proactive measures to protect themselves from these evolving threats. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and staying vigilant about suspicious activities online. Section 8. Recognizing the red flags. Spotting AI-powered scams. While AI-powered scams can be convincing, there are often red flags that can help us identify them. Be wary of unsolicited calls or messages requesting personal information. Pay close attention to the language used in emails and text messages. AI-generated content may contain unusual phrasing or grammatical errors. If you receive a suspicious call or message, don't hesitate to verify the source. Hang up and call the official number of the organization in question. Report any suspected scams to the appropriate authorities. Section 9. Outsmarting the scammers. Practical tips for protecting your finances. Protecting yourself from AI-powered scams requires a multifaceted approach. Be cautious about the personal information you share online. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements for any suspicious activity. Enable two-factor authentication on all your financial accounts. Be wary of clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown senders. Educate yourself and your loved ones about the latest AI-powered scams. By staying informed and vigilant, we can minimize our risk of becoming victims. Section 10. The future of fraud. AI's evolving threat to your bank account. The threat of AI-powered bank fraud is not going away anytime soon. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect criminals to develop even more sophisticated scams. Voice cloning and deepfakes will become even more realistic, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish between real and fake. The battle against AI-powered fraud will require a collaborative effort. Tech companies, financial institutions, and law enforcement agencies must work together to develop new tools and strategies to combat these evolving threats. Section 11. Stay ahead of the game, a call for vigilance and action. We are entering a new era of crime where the lines between the digital and physical worlds are becoming increasingly blurred. AI is a powerful tool that can be used for good or evil. It is our responsibility to stay informed about the potential risks and take proactive steps to protect ourselves. By being vigilant, educating ourselves, and reporting suspicious activity, we can help create a safer digital world for everyone. The future of our financial security depends on it.